1 to 8, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, okay, and here null and normal null, just null. Like this, we have a sequence, for example. Now, using this row number, using this row number, what will be the sequence of the record, right? So here it by default it will generate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for null, I'm not sure whether it will generate or not, but I'll give the sequence number, but in real time we will see after executing the query. Okay, just a time. So like this, it will generate the sequence number. Without giving a partition override. It means if you give a like this, right? Over order by column name. If you give like this, it will generate the sequence number, right? And same, if you use partition by number, partition by NO, then what it does? For first, it will give you the 1, 1, and it will search for, do we have any ones? Yes, here we have a 1. Then it will give you the sequence number 2, and it will search for, do we have any 1, 2, 3? Yes, here we have a 1, 2, 3. Then it will give the sequence number 3. Then it will come to the 1 again. It started with a 1 to 4, right? There is no 1, 2, 3 here after that. So again it will start from the beginning. Okay, 1. And it will check whether do we have any 1 to 4. Yes, here we have a 1 to 4. Then 2. And do we have any 1 to 4 apart from that? No. After the what is the next sequence number? 1. 25. And 25 do we have here? No. So it will give you the 1 record. And then 1 to 5, 1. 1 to 7, 1. 1 to 8, 1. Like that, and null for 1 generally. So like this, okay, when you are using the partition, you will be, this row number, okay, when you are using partition number, it will generate the sequence number like this. So without a partition by number, then it will generate the by default 1, 2, 3, 4, whether it is having 100 duplicates, it does not matter for this syntax. It will by default, it will generate the sequence number. Just a simple, it will, whatever, it don't look for duplicate or whatever, it will not look for any duplicates. By generally, blindly, it will create a sequence number for each record. When it comes to the row number and partition by number column, at that time, it will check for do we have any duplicate. And each row, each unique identifier level, it will create the sequence number. For example, here we have a unsequence order, right? So for example, what I'll do, I'll take this sequence. Okay, I'll keep it here. And I'll make, sort. Have done it, right? So partition by, when you select, right, for each record, it will create the partition. This 123, it will create a partition. 124, it will create a partition. 125, create a partition. And 126, it will create a separate partition. So it will create a separate partition. And here it will start the sequence number 1, 2, and 3, like this. Again, it will look for same number. But if there is no same number, then it will come to this one and it will create one more partition here. And then here it will start again 1, 2. And it will look for, do we have any sequence number? If you don't have any sequence number, sequence number, and 124 got changed to 125, right? I mean, there is no other 124. So it will come here and it will again create a 1. And there is no other record to create a new, two sequence number, right? So no 125. So it will again, it will create the new partition for 1 and 1 again and 1, something like this. Now here if you observe, right, okay, if you want to display the unique transaction, for example, if you want to display the unique 123, 123, 124, 125, something like that, if you select 1, by default you will get the unique records. If you select a greater than 1 from this column, then you will get the duplicate records, right? So this way, by using the rank logic and the partition by, you can identify the duplicate records and the unique records. This is the interview purpose. They will ask the question. 100% they will ask the question like this. Okay. So now here come back. If you come back here. Now here I'm just applying a filter condition here. Okay. So now if you see here, if I select 1, then all unique records will be getting. So you need to write a where condition on top of query so that you will get the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 only. Okay. And if you want to identify the duplicate record greater than 1, means whatever you have a sequence number you need to select. So here you have more than hundreds in the sequence number. Then how to select here is, it is very simple. Here you go and number filter. Okay. Greater than 1. All duplicates records get printed here. So total 3 records you have a duplicates. 123 2 records, 124 1 record. 1 record. Okay. This is how we will identify by using the row number. Okay. And using the rank. Okay. Rank also it is the same. Rank over first one. Order by SNO and the column. For example, if you are giving like this. Now, if you are giving like this, what it does, it will create the order by ascending and it will just check 123. Yes, here you have a 123 1 and it will look for again 123. Where do I have? Here I have it. So again it will create a 1. Okay, again what it does, it will look for any ID. Do we have? Yes, it will create a 1 here. This is the rank it will behave. Here it is generating the sequence number. Here partition wise, the column level, it is creating the sequence number. And here it is by default, it is just giving the, if the same number found, right, then it is giving the same sequence number. After that, what do we have a sequence number? 124. 124 here. What will be the expected value here? Anyone can suggest, guess? Hello? Anyone can guess what would be the next sequence number?
2. 2.
Can you speak loudly? I
Two,
heard
two.
someone said 2. Is it?
Yeah. Yes. 2.
Very good. Actually 4. Okay. You will get the sequence number 4. And 124, again you have a 5. Okay. And do we have any sequence number here? No, you don't have any sequence number. What is the next? 125. Now, what is the expected value here? Anyone can guess?
6.
6?
Six.
Are you sure?
No, seven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
6 only.
6, huh? 1, 2, 2 means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 6, I guess. Yeah. No, 4, 5. Directly not 6, 7, I guess. 7. 7. Okay. Then 8. Then 9. Then 10. Something like this. You will get the result. Okay. If this one I have a doubt, you leave it as of now. Okay. So something like that it will create. Okay. It will escape the sequence number, rank logic. Okay. It will escape the sequence number here. Okay. And same way, okay, if you are using partition by, okay, in the next column, if you are using the partition by, order by, hmm, partition by SNO, and then order by SNO. So what would be the value? Okay, this one we will see. And here we have a dense rank. Okay, I'll write a syntax
Sir,
later. Okay, hello. Yeah,
sir,
anyone?
why not 6, sir? At the place of 7.
That I will discuss. Yes, let me finish this one and then we will see. Hmm. So now dense rank. Dense rank, what it does? For 123, it will create 1. Hmm? It will look for 123. Yes, we have a here. So it will create a 1. Okay. And here also we have 123. It will create a 1. Hmm? And for 124, what would be the next sequence number? Anyone can guess?
2, sir.
100% it is a true. Yeah, 2. And it will look for another 124 and it will create a 2 again here. Okay. And it will come to the 125 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Something like that. It will create the sequence numbers. Okay. Now, same data we will enter and we'll see how it works. Okay. No, I want not that one. There is a shortcut actually. You see, we have a shortcut here. What shortcut? You have to click here and shift alt. You need to press 2 buttons and down arrow so that it will come down. And a simple, I want a single quotation, right? Like this you can give. Okay. Or first I need it like this and this. And here, same way, shift alt. Press 2 button at the same time and come down. Single quotation, comma, and close bracket. Sorry, single quotation, close bracket, and a comma. Here, I'll write a insert into hmm, window functions. Just I'm giving a name like this. Very good. Just give me a minute. Okay. So for this one also, Okay, null empty. Okay, understand. Please. Okay, now class में से control C. Okay, control C and control C. Then here create a one table. Uh, what is the table name? Window function. Okay, create table name window function. Okay, open bracket single number 10. Okay, control enter. Table is created. Okay, now hmm,
हाँ मैं वो लिंक भेजू देखो सारे इसको शाकिर को भेजू मैं
okay.
नंबर नहीं वो नहीं दिख रहा हूँ
Now I am executing this. Okay, what happened? Null is not recognized. Okay, maybe this null is not recognized. Okay. Hmm. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just give the only null here. Okay, I want this as well. See, this null is different and this null is different. I have given in a single quote means it is a string null. It is normal null. Okay. Okay. Select. Okay. Star from. Select a star from window function. What happened? Oh, I missed it, I think. Only one got inserted. Comma. No, it's only.
ఎస్ఎన్ఓ నెంబర్ అక్కడ నంబర్ తీసుకుని ఇక్కడ
No, no,
స్ట్రింగ్
no.
గా ఇచ్చారు.
No, no. Right. Correct. We have given a number here, but it has not. Okay. Then let me go back and here Control F. Sorry. Control F. Replace. No space. Nothing. Replace all. And that's it. Till here. And come down. Okay. Total you have 123, 128 and a null. Okay. Now let me write a same code. Select. Select SNO, comma. Okay. First row number right? Row number over order by SNO. Ascending. By default, it is an ascending. Just sequence number. Okay. Comma. Same again. What I will do? Okay. Partition by SNO. Order by sequence number. Just one I'll give here. Same way. Here. Rank. And just order by this. And this is rank number. And similarly, partition by SNO. Okay. Number one. Dense rank. DENC dense rank. This one. And dense rank. This one. Okay. And here. Dense rank. And here. Dense rank. Okay. From table. See, all window functions, I mean main window functions I have written in one single query. Okay, like this. Using the same column, serial number here. Okay. Now let's run and see what would be our result. Okay. For each one. Order by I'll take order by SNO ascending order. So that we'll get in a same sequence. Now control enter. 123. Okay. 123, 123, 124, 125. You have it. Data here, right? Okay. Now you see here. Okay. 123. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. You see? Null we have a null. Right? Here you see. Sequence number. The first logic what we have written. Just row number over order by SNO as sequence number. So blindly it got created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have a 10 records, so it is created 10. Now, okay, here. What is this? Here it is created partition wise. We have given a partition, right? Serial number. It means 123, it will create one partition here and it will generate a sequence number. And it will look for next 123, but we do not have, we have a 124. So it will create a new partition and it will generate the sequence number 1, 2. Again, it will check for 124, no, but you don't have 124 record, it is over. So it 124, it will create a one partition and it will give you the sequence number 1. And 126 only one record 1, 127 1, 128 1, null for 1. It has created like this. Now you see this one. Okay, rank logic. For rank logic, here, this is the rank. Okay, we don't have used any sequence number, right? So here, for rank logic, okay, it has created 1 1 1, then directly jump to 4 4. Okay, directly it is jumped to 6 actually. Yeah, I have given a mistake here. Okay. What mistake we have given here in Excel here? We have given directly 1, 1, 1, right? And here 4 and here 4 actually. Okay. Because the same rank it will give, right? Then generally, right? So here if you see 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, it will skip the sequence number. It means actually it will treat like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that, actually, it will behave inside query. In printing the outside, it will give the for same number, it will give the same rank. Okay. But generally, it should give the next sequence number 2 here. But the rank, the logic, whatever inside they have written, right? What it does, it will act as a row number like this. Okay, it will print the 111 and it will directly, when the sequence number changed here, then the rank logic also it will change to directly it will print to 4. And again it will identify the same record, right? Again it will give you the same record. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next sequence number what? 6 only, right? So 6. And there is no other duplicate record here. So 6 it has given 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this it has given the rank logic. And the same way partition by serial number if you have used, right? So it has created for this alone same sequence number. And for this one, it has given a same sequence number. And anyway, this is having an individual, right? So single records, and it has given 1111. It means, so generally partition by when you have used to rank, it will give you the 1 by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So when will I get this? 2 here, 2 here and 3 here using the rank. Okay, that scenario I'll tell you later. Because we need to use another reference column. Okay, in order by. Then you will get the 1, 2, 3. Okay, that I will tell you. Now coming to the dense rank. Okay, you see here dense rank. Okay, it has given 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whatever the issue we had here, instead of correcting here, okay, what they have done, who developed this rank logic inside, right? They have created a new dense rank. Why? Because they wanted to show you the difference and this rank logic also we have some features because sometimes we use this rank logic also. This is also very helpful in future. Okay. So even current project also I am okay. So here it has given the sequence number, each partition wise and a rank. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And like this it has given. Okay. Now I want to test one more. Okay. For null actually. I want to test one. Okay. Let me add one more null. I'm just adding one more null here. Okay. I have executed one more null. Okay. Now rerunning the query. You see, for null also, it is giving the sequence number. It is identifying the null and giving the sequence number 1, 2, 10, 10. Okay. And here 1, 1. Again here 7, 7. Okay, same rank, right? So it has given like this. Okay, this is the dense rank. Okay, and dense rank with a partition now. right? We are giving the partition here with the dense rank, partition by. Okay, now you see, same as it is how we have a rank logic, it has given same 1, 1, 1. If you see here, okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this particular thing, okay, you need to observe. Okay, this is very, very important. In real time, for you guys, okay, they will give this kind of a scenario and to confuse you guys, okay, and they will ask the each window function like this, okay, they will ask the this kind of a scenario. Hmm? Okay. Fine. So this is how you have to practice all window functions. Okay. And rank with partition by without partition. Sorry, row number without partition, row number with partition. Rank with partition without partition, rank with partition, dense rank without partition, dense rank with partition. So you need to practice like this. And okay, there is one more scenario here. We have that. What is that one more scenario? Now we will see what is that actually. To check that, what we need to do, we have to create a one more table actually. So what I will do, I'll take this some different scenario so that it is easy for us actually. And after that, in window functions, we have a lead, lag, okay, and overall sum, we have that. So to do that, I can show you with a large data set, but the problem is, if you are getting that large data set, maybe you may confuse. Okay, so that is the reason I am not, going with these tables actually. If you see here, in database, okay, sample data, if you go, here you have a more table.
Anna, I have a doubt here.
Yes. Hmm.
Here, rank number and density rank number, what is the difference between? The values are same, right?
No. Here you see. Okay. This is the rank without partition. Correct?
Yes.
Here. I'm talking about this one. This sequence. This one. Rank is without partition here. So what value you have? 1, 1, 1. And then immediately it started 4, 4. And then immediately started 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 like this. Right? So this difference for the rank. And
No, I'm asking
no,
for
no,
rank.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. Okay.
Okay.
I'm coming to that. So to go to the rank with partition, dense rank with partition, you need to understand clearly here. Okay. So rank without partition and a dense rank without partition. So now here you see in the dense rank 1, 1, 1, it has given the next sequence number 2. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, you got the result, right? Correct. So now, when it comes to the rank and the dense rank with partition, right? With partition, here what has happened? Okay. This rank behavior is what? If same value it is identified, then it will give you the same sequence number. Am I correct? So here it has given a, for the same value 1, 2, 3, it has given 1, 1, 1. Same way here also it has given 1, 1, 1. Okay. And for partition by when it comes, second one it will take, right? It will, once it is come to the 124, then it will again look for new partition and a sequence number. Then it will create a same number it identified, it is same. Here also same way, dense rank what it does, you are creating the partition wise, right? So even here also partition wise, when you are creating, it will look for this record. When it is having this record, same how it has behavior here, same way here also it will create a partition by. Now, when it comes to the 124, okay, it is a new partition, right? So it has creating a new partition. Similarly, generally what is happening here is, by this sample data, whatever you have, okay, here there is no difference in the rank logic with partition, dense rank with partition, there is no difference actually. But when it comes to the multiple column level, right, then it will differentiate in the dense rank. That is what I'm telling. So as of now, based on this scenario, you are not able to recognize what is the difference with partition rank with partition dense rank. You are not able to recognize the differences. But the inside the logic, whatever we have, okay, it is completely different here. But the way based on the result, the input data and output data, it is showing the same. In case if you have a multiple other columns with that, right, you will find difference in the dense rank. Okay, how that I'll show you now. Now if you see, okay, I have a 1 second, let me go here. Now I'm coming to that. See? This behavior. Okay, this is your sequence number. Okay, SNO, and this is something column name, something like some value or something. Let me give like this. This I have a 123. Okay, here 123 and here 123. So here I have a value. This value is nothing but a date. Okay. I am giving a date as a number here. How? 2026 0101. This is my date. I'm I'm giving the format like this. Okay. And here 2026, okay, 02 and 01. And here what I'm doing, 2026 0501. I'm giving like this. Okay. Same way for 124. 124. Here, just change the sequence number. Here, 2, date, month I'm changing. Here, 3, 4, and here, 7. I'm giving 7. Now here, 125. Okay, some date. 126. Some date. Okay. You have like this. Now, if you take rank with partition by, okay, and dense rank with partition by, order by, you need to take this column. Your serial number in partition by, order by, you have to take this column. In that case, what it does here generally, okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so now I have to give here same sequence here. Okay, same data I need to give here. Okay, then it will work. Dense rank 1, okay, and 1, and here it will generate 3. Okay, the sequence ID, it will generate 3. And here for 124, okay, 1 and 2. Okay. And this one what 3, 4, 7. This is 3. It will give like this. And here 1 and 1. It will generate like this. How it will generate like this? Because so first when it is creating a partition here, and when you take the order by, huh? Okay, when you take the order by, it will look for this order by. Okay, here you have a same sequence, right? Order by. So it will give you the same sequence number 111. And when it comes to the here, it will give you the 3 directly. Okay, based on the you have a same partition, but the dates are different. So it will give you the like this. And when it comes to the dense rank, okay, it will give 1, 1, and here 2. Okay, this scenario it will generate like this. And for 124 same, here also 1, 2, and 3. You see this scenario, dense rank and rank, there is no difference in this. Okay, but only when you have a same date, okay, and in order by, and if you have a different date, then your sequence will be different here. And here, when it comes to the here, it will give you the next number of that sequence. Okay. That is only one difference when you consider. Let me take the same result, same data here and create one more table. Okay. So that it will be easy for you to understand. There are multiple scenarios you need to practice. Then you will understand. See, these are all number, right? I'll give directly comment. I'm creating a temp table. Create table temp SNO number 10, comma, date number. I'm giving just a number only. And we'll close this. Okay, I'm closing this. So what I'll do, I'll execute these two. First one. So in one shot, I'll execute this. Okay, data also insert. Select the star from temp. Okay, so now the data is there, right? Now what we need to do, I have to write a query, select SNO and date and here rank over partition by SNO order by date ascending. This is my rank 1, comma, dense rank over partition by SNO, order by date, okay, closes dense from temp, order by SNO, comma, date. Okay, I'm executing this. What happens? Order, spelling mistake. You see here the difference, whatever we discussed, right? Okay, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. See that depending on the scenario, the dense rank behave properly, and rank it will behave based on their logic. Okay, so why? Because it will differentiate your order by column. Okay, so order by also very much important in this rank logics. See 123, 123, 123. But when you have used it earlier, it has given 1, 1, 1, 1. Even we have given order by now also. If you give order by here for this one, I'll show you same way. Okay, yeah. Comma. Okay, I'm changing the sequence order by here. Okay, you see 2. Now you see you will get the same 1, 1, 1, 1 because you are changing the order by. You see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But when you are giving the order by date, it will order the it will make the ascending order, and first this will do the partition by. After that, it will make the ascending, and if the dates are same, then it will give you 1, 1, 1, 1. And if any date changed immediately, it will give to the jump to the third sequence number, because already here you have a 2 entries. So third one. And similarly again 4, 7, 3 you have, right, for 123, correct? So it has given 1, 2, 3. Why? Because your date is not same here. It is unique. So it has given 1, 2, 3. And here 125 single record, 126 single record, 1, 1. But when dense rank, same 1, it has given 1 in the same date 1. And for next date, it has given different date actually, right? So this is how the dense rank, differentiate the data in the dense rank. So where we use this in case if I need it, right? For example, it means, for example, you have purchased one product today. Okay. Well, let's go like this. What is the example? Okay. You are staying in Rajoli. Okay. You are staying in Rajoli. Okay. Let me go to the Excel. You are staying in Rajoli. Customer 1, 2, 3 staying in Rajoli. Okay. From 1995, for example. Okay. Now you changed from 123, same employee. You changed to Bangalore. Okay. From 2000, for example. Now, okay, the same person. Okay. If I want to get the sequence number, okay, or rank where he was stayed with the date. Okay. For example, in the same Rajoli, you change the area. For example, here. So here you have a same record, right? And 123, yes, Rajoli only. Hmm? And here you change the record. Same 1995 itself. 1995 itself. You change the area. Okay. Now again, same employee, you change to Bangalore. BNJ. Okay. In 2000. In generally, okay, when you take, right, when if you are in Rajali 1995, you will get the 111. Again, if you change this, means you might have changed the area, but overall I'm considering where you are there. Okay. So and so year or something. In a year, you are there in Rajoli itself, but you change the areas. And later on, you shifted to Bangalore. So then what will happen? Here you will rank will be created 1 and 1, but here it will print the third. Why? Because you are looking at customer level, okay, and the partition by customer level and order by you are giving the year, right? In this case, it will create a sequence number 3. But okay, in case this sequence number, if you want a unique, there is another process to get that. In generally, you will get the sequence like this. And the same way, dense rank 1, 1 and 2. It will not miss the sequence number. So this is depending on the data and other column. It depends on the order by column, how your sequence number should be given. So this is mainly, it is used for actually in the examination centers, okay, to give the ranks. So whenever if you get the same ranks, it will give you the 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, something like that, right? Yesterday we discussed that. Same way, if you want the same sequence ID with the next sequence number, then you have to use the dense rank. But here in real time, where we are using, depending on the requirement, we are using mostly, we will use rank or row number. We will not use the dense rank. Okay, mostly we will not at all use dense rank. Maximum we are using row number and rank only. And row number, why we are using? Because to identify the duplicate records, to identify the unique records, we are using the row number. In interview, definitely you will be questioned by using this rank and row number and everything. Okay. And they will keep the nulls as well, string null and null. Okay. So those are completely different. Null and string null are completely different. Make sure, okay, you will be taking care when you are in interview purpose. Okay. You have to consider that also in your practice, null and string null. Okay. So this is the functions of a window, rank and Raj. Okay. Now, lead and lag. What is the difference on the lead and lag? Okay. So that also we will discuss. Lead means what and lag means what? It is very simple. Okay. So I'll show you directly with example. So that you will understand. Lead. Hmm? I don't want this. Okay. Just observe the, I'm not using this data as well. Let me remove. Okay. Lead expected. Okay. Lead over partition by, I think partition by whether it will work or not. No, generally it will work. Okay, sorry. You need to give a column name here. Okay, lead what has done. First partition by we have used, right, general. So it has given a sequence number of this one. The second sequence number it has printed like this. Okay, so here also you will be confused, actually confusing for you guys. So generally what it does, it will take the second column and it will print here. Okay, and third column it will print here. And when it goes to this second, right, I mean this, for this third column it will give you the null. Okay, when you are using the partition by. Same way this second will be printed here, this second will be printed here, and null, 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 something like this. Okay, for example, if I am not using this, okay, order by just serial number. You see now, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 means this got printed here. Okay, it will escape this one, and this will be printed here. At the end you will have a just a blank. Okay, this is the difference. But I'll give you the one more example. Okay, here we have a 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Okay, so what I will do, I will just insert unique numbers. One here. Mm, do we have any double? Yes, we have. Insert. I'll insert overwrite. Right. Insert overwrite. Okay. I'll remove this one. 124, 125, 126, 120. Do we have any? I'll remove this too. I'm just keeping the only unique records. Let me execute. Unexpected window function value. What is this? Syntax 20 position window function. Override table. I think override it won't work. Okay, let me do like this. Insert into. Okay, what I'll do, I'll truncate the table. Truncate table name, window function. Okay. Truncated, inserted. Okay. Now I have only 123, 100, something like this, right? Now you see, I'm using this from table here. Now just observe. See, 123. Thus, next value what we have here, 124. So it has taken 124 and 125, 126, 127, 128, and the last column will be kept as blank. So this is the lead actually. Okay. Using this, we can achieve like this. For example, if you want to keep first column null, okay, then what you have to do? You have to use lag. Okay. lag. Lag, what you need to do here, you just give a lag here. Okay. Now, if you run this, first column will be okay blank, and second column it will print 123, 124, something like this. See the difference. See 124 here per lead, 125 this one, 126 here, 127 here, 128 here, and the column is null. Here for the lag 123 below, first column will be null, and 123 below, and 124 below, and something like this. This is 127 keeping here. So this is what is the use of this one? Why we have to use like this means in future we don't know, maybe we may get some requirement like this. Okay, first column you want to keep null and remaining all columns if you want to print the lags. And in this, right, this is just like this bit, but I never used a lead lag. Okay, but there is a one more scenario we have to window function level aggregating the data. Window function level aggregating the data. Some average, these things also can be done. Okay, how that can be done? So that is very important. Okay, this is very, very important here. So this some aggregations, okay, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, so please practice rank, dense rank, row number, okay, and with partition, without partition columns, and a lead lag. Please practice this. Tomorrow I will discuss, window functions only with aggregations. I'll show you what is the difference between group by and Windows group by, so that it will be very helpful in future. Okay, it may help actually. Why? Because maybe you may not use anywhere, but in interview purpose at least it will be very helpful. Okay, that is one thing on the window functions. So tomorrow in the first session we will be going to complete the window functions. Okay, and now we are going to discussing on the joints. I'll just take the introduction of joints. Okay, very, very, very important. And if you are perfect in the joints, no one will beat you here. Really. Okay, how it works actually. Okay. Join means what?
Now I have a doubt.
Yes, please go ahead.
I have a doubt on position and substitute.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Okay. You have only 2 minutes. I'll make you host. 1 second. Okay. Yes, please. You can share.
Yeah. అన్న ఇక్కడ ఒక డౌట్ ఉంది.
చెప్పు.
ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు అట్ రేట్ అని ఉంది కదా అగైన్ నేను మళ్ళీ ఒక క్వెరీ
నాకు స్క్రీన్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఫర్ ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్
ఇలాగా లేదంటే ఇందులోనే
స్క్రీన్ బ్లాంక్ వస్తుంది నాకు. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. మళ్ళీ బ్లాంక్ అయింది. అదేంది అంటే నాకు వేరే స్క్రీన్ కనబడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ షేర్ లో ఫస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ తీసుకోవాలా. ఓకే, స్క్రీన్ లేదు, బ్లాంక్. మీకు అదర్ మెంబర్స్
హలో
మీకు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ నవ్వు ఇప్పుడు. ఎస్, ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ అట్ రేట్ అని ఉంది కదా
అవును.
నాకు ఒకటి ఐఫోన్ అట్ రేట్ ఒకే దాంట్లోనే నేను క్వెరీ రాయడానికి వస్తుందా
రాసుకోవచ్చు, 100% రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా రాయాలి
అంటే ఎట్లా
ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ హింట్. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే పొజిషన్ అవి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నావో జనరల్గా అక్కడ కేసు రాసుకో.
ఓకే.
@ వస్తే అది తీసుకోవాలా, పొజిషన్ వస్తే హైఫన్ వస్తే ఇది తీసుకోవాలని కేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాసుకో. అప్పుడు హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలం.
ఓకే.
అర్థమేనా?
ఓకే.
ఆ పొజిషన్ ఏదైతే
ఓకే.
రాస్తున్నావో అక్కడ నువ్వు కేసు రాసుకోవాలా. ఒకవేళ @ వస్తే నా పొజిషన్ ఇది ఉండాలా @కి సంబంధించి. ఒకవేళ హైఫన్ వస్తే హైఫన్ తీసుకునేది అట్లా ఉండాలా. చేయొచ్చు అట్లా. 2 వస్తాయి, మోర్ దెన్ 2 కూడా